Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly show you how in WordPress you can change the menu dependent on the category you're watching and some other variables using this conditional menus by Themify. So what I mean is on Happy Me Golf, if I go to a golf vlog by something that I've imported on YouTube, what I wanted for Golf Vlogs UK was the header to be Golf Vlogs latest post, subscribe to them on YouTube, go to their Twitter, go to their website, and the same would be for say Mark Crossfield, right? So on their videos, I want to be go to Mark's videos, go subscribe to Mark's Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever. So whoever the category is, I change the menu, right? And I use this plugin called Conditional Menus. So let's go through it quickly. You're going to download it. I'm going to do it on my website. Go to your dashboard. Go to plugins. Oh man, my website's slow today. Go to plugins. Add new. Come on. Upload plugin. Choose the file. You can drop it or choose it. So I did it yesterday, so I've still got two versions. Install the file, the plugin that you've just downloaded, and activate. And that gives you information on how to do it, right? So basically what you do, you go to your menus, and then you go, menus, and you create a new menu. So for me, I want one for something called HubSpot training, right? So I've got I've got a Zoho menu. I want one for HubSpot. So anything that's in the category HubSpot on my website will go to, let me turn this stuff off actually because it might pop up. We'll go to that. So I'm just going to call it HubSpot, right? Create the menu. Now on my website, I'm going to put a home link first. Oh man, my website really is slow today. Pages, custom link. So create a menu. So I'm going to firstly put home, and then I'm going to put, here we go, let's go Paul, and then go here to HubSpot training, right? I'm going to go categories, HubSpot, HubSpot latest posts, and I'm going to put in that link, custom link, HubSpot, free training, free introduction training. That sounds terrible, but it'll work for now. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to show you where it will show up. So if I go to my website's a little funky because the homepage goes to the training. So if I go HubSpot here and pick a category that's got HubSpot. So at the moment it's the default menu. So what I need to do now is save this. I think I've already saved it. So I've now got a HubSpot menu ready to go. I'm going to go to manage locations and say in the primary menu, if you want to do it in the footer, it depends on your website where your menus are. So if you've got menus in different places, you're going to be able to show it, right? So primary menu, I'm going to add a conditional for HubSpot, and the condition will be on the HubSpot category. So you could change it for your pages, you can change it for your shop page, for stuff like that. I'm going to go here though and go, I don't know the difference between category singles and categories. I don't know what the difference is, but I'm going to select HubSpot here and HubSpot here. So in the categories, I select HubSpot. I'm going to save it, save changes. Now, depending on how your website caches, how it remembers what it's loaded, it may work or may not first time. So if I refresh this page, now I've got a HubSpot training, right? So when I go to, as I say, my website's funky because it reloads the homepage to my training website. So the main website on the blog has this header. I didn't mean to click there. And the minute you go to HubSpot as a category, so the minute I click on anything that's HubSpot related, so this is my HubSpot. I don't know if that is enough. That might not be in that category actually. Yeah. Let's just go here because this is definitely in that category. So the minute I go there, the menu changes. So all you've got to do is upload that plugin, go here, conditional menu. So I could go here, look, Zoho menu. I could go conditions and then show on categories that are Zoho. So CRM, Zoho 1. I could do this and save and save. And then anything in my website that is Zoho related will now have that new category. This is probably Zoho related. So let's just show you the menu, and there's the menu changing. So now it's everything Zoho related with this video. So hopefully that explained it. Just a quick demo. I think it's a really cool tool. It's a really cool little plugin to give you more functionality on the pages where you want people to go to different places, or depending on the category or the user or something like that. Hope it helps. See you soon. Cheers.